What do you do when your heat isn't working?
Your heater isn't working, check your thermostat.
If your batteries are dead, your heating won't function properly.
Now I'm going to show you how to remove your thermostat and change the batteries. Just pull towards you or lift up and pull.
Just remove the batteries like so. Put the new ones in. Connect the pins back. You're all set. It is crucial to change your air filters at least every 3 months. Dirty air filters reduce airflow and cause your furnace to overheat. This triggers a safety device to shut down your system. When this happens, check your breaker. The safety device, better known as the high limit switch in your HVAC system, will shut down your breaker due to overheating. Locate the breaker switch associated with your HVAC system. It is typically labeled. Switch the breaker to on to restore power.